Hi, I'm Ji-Yoon Kim. Today I'll have a presentation, my research subject on web novel content quality factor analysis using sentiment analysis and LDA. The contents bill involves an introduction, theoretical background, research procedure, test result, and conclusion. Introduction. The web novel content market has been constantly growing, and web novel contents companies are trying to secure new customers. They are putting experts of creating and planning web novel contents. In addition, they are performing the work of design on new web novel contents and the related supports by analyzing existing web novel contents. However, the amount of web novel contents created with the growth of the web novel content market has also increased rapidly. And there is a problem to analyze the feedback data of consumers, which accumulate in large quantities. These problems make limitations in manpower-based analysis, which had led to difficulties to maintain and improve the quality of new web novel content. Therefore, this study introduced efficient and cost-friendly approaches using accumulated using data from the past to the present. Unlike conventional creation method of web novel contents, using these results, content creators can easily acquire information essential to improve the quality of web novel contents. And it is expected that information which should be considered during the creation of web novel contents can be easily obtained. Theoretical backgrounds. Previous studies. Many studies have been conducted to analyze the emotion of service users or ordinary people. These studies are representative of the studies that extract topics based on the sentences of users and analyze emotions of users. Hu and Liu claims that the online product market continues to grow and the sellers would not easily analyze a large amount of accumulated user review data. Hu, Sun, and Lim collected blog data and conducted a study to choose representative words as topic. Lee proved that the correlation between nouns and products can be expressed through the high recall rate by combining only nouns among product review data. Lee, Ji, Wu, and Cho proposed a system that allows users to distinguish topics simply by categorizing topics using clustering techniques based on similarity. Song and Lee proposed the model of automatic construction of positive, negative feature predicate dictionary for improving the quality of opinion mining. Zhai, Liu, Xu, and Jia presented a methodology that abbreviates various words and expressions depicting the same emotion into one feature. And they succeeded in producing the highest level of state-of-the-art by applying semi-supervised learning. Dashou, Xiong, Zhou, Hadaud, and Duan embedded the review data and then used the CNN model to analyze the user's sensitivity. Heikai, Turkey, and Maki proposed an approach to sentiment analysis models using deep and complex models using CNN, LSTM, and CNN plus LSTM structures. Yusu Nok and Kim Min-chul combined big data with LDA to obtain microscopic conclusions, and they could find improvement points of offline hotel service. Yang, Wu, Tang, Yu, Zhou, Tao, and Song collected review data of electronic commerce products, analyzed them with LDA, and analyzed the internal variables of each product through linear regression to derive improvement points of products. Research procedure. Morphological analysis. To analyze nature language, morpheme analysis was performed using Morpheme Analyzer and ConPy, which are commonly used in Korean research. The inputted morpheme data is classified into common nouns, adjectives, pronouns, and adverbs. Dataset. We collected data of generally used expressions and review data of consumers using web novel contents. Data of generally used expressions was collected to utilize the expressions Koreans generally use in their reviews. The review data of the contents consumers were collected to analyze the special data that the contents consumers can express. The table 1 represents the data set used in this study. Analysis method. This study proposed a system that can automatically analyze the emotion of web novel content reviewers. User sentiment analysis. The user emotion analysis model was trained by combining web novel content review data with general review data. Topic acquisition. Positive topics and negative topics can be analyzed through the positive and negative data by using user emotion analysis. By using the positive and negative topics, the characteristics of web novel contents that are well sold and the characteristics of web novel contents that are low in sale can be obtained. Strategy establishment. Through the analysis of the difference between the positive and negative topics, we could obtain a low sales volume to establish some strategies for content creation and its improvement. User sentiment analysis model. In this system, 5 models were adopted and used to select the model that can analyze content review and general review in most smoothly. The following table 2 is the type of model used in the user emotion evaluation model and the number of emotional classifications. The figure 2 shows the LSTM plus attention model. This model complements LSTM with weak long-term dependencies and combines attention and LSTM to extract the characteristics of user sentences. Figure 3 exhibits the CNN model. This model is widely used in sentiment analysis model. It analyzes emotional information using CNN. The feature of embedded data is drawn, and the sensibility evaluation of user is performed based on the drawn result value by utilizing the extraction of feature, which is advantage of CNN model. Figure 4 shows the CNN, attention, and LSTM model. They are made into parallel structure, and feature of embedded data are extracted, and the extracted result values are combined in the concatenate layer. The combined data contains semantic data and performs the user's sensibility evaluation based on this data. Figure 5 exhibits the CNN model. This model is widely used in sentiment analysis model. It analyzes emotional information using CNN. The feature of embedded data is drawn, and the sensibility evaluation of user is performed based on the drawn result value by utilizing the extraction of feature, which is advantage of CNN model. Figure 6 shows CNN plus LSTM model structure for sentiment analysis. Embedded data have relatively low length compared to general time series data. Thus, CNN used model that can replace the role of attention. Embedded data extracted from CNN is imputed to LSTM, and the sentiment analysis of user review data is performed based on the analysis result value of this sentence trained in LSTM. Model assessment method. To evaluate the performance of the model, accuracy, precision, recall rate, and F1 score, which are model performance indicators used traditionally or conventionally, were used. These model performance indicators are constructed as follows. Selecting a user emotion evaluation model. In accuracy and recall rate, CNN model shows the best performance, and in terms of recall rate and F1 score, CNN, attention, and LSTM models showed the best performance. However, given the case that content review data of new web novel occur and the characteristics of this system that require an update of the model at a rapid pace. This study uses CNN and CNN models with relatively light models. The following table 3 shows the result of the performance experiment. Topic modeling. The LDA model is a model used using probability and extracts the latent themes in text data using principal component analysis. For the assessment of the topic extracted from LDA, the perplexity and consistency, which are widely used in the LDA model evaluation, were utilized. Since the current perplexity does not always give a clear answer, it has a certain level of perplexity and consistency, and the number of topic optimized is obtained. For LDA model evaluation, the number of topic models was changed from 1 to 20. The following figure 7 shows the number of topics selected in the positive review. If the number of topics is small, it can be seen that the consistency is high. Generally, LDA topic modeling has the characteristic of selecting the number of topics within 10. However, considering the characteristics of web novel contents data that need to analyze various topics, and 6 topics were selected. The following figure 8 shows the number of topics selected from negative review. Negative review topic shows a characteristic that is continuously and rapidly decreasing. However, in order to analyze various topics, the perplexity and consistency are satisfied, and the number of topics that can analyze the topic is selected. Test result: positive topic analysis. Based on LDA analysis, we obtained 6 positive topics. However, since there are many words in each topic, the keywords were selected so that each topic could be intuitively analyzed. The selected keywords are classified into related purchase, emotional delivery, content development, differentiation, philosophy, completeness. The related purchase indicates that readers serially purchased web novel contents as ebooks. Emotional delivery consists of words that users feel good through web novel contents. The contents development consists of satisfaction felt by the user through the development of solid web novel contents. Differentiation is composed of satisfaction of users who feel different from existing web novel contents. Philosophy consists of words that make users who read web novel contents think variously through immersion. Completeness expresses the user's opinion on the integrated part of web novel contents. Negative topic result. Using LDA analysis, 6 negative topics were obtained. In addition, the keywords were selected so that the users who gave negative evaluation of web novel contents can intuitively. The selected theme words are classified into acceptation, content development, related purchase, immersion, characteristics, completeness. The expectation consists of words negatively evaluated by users who purchased web novel contents with expectation. Content development consists of the word left by a user who felt negative about the content development of web novel content. The related purchase was based on the words from the users who purchased web contents based on other users' reviews but made a negative evaluation, unlike that of reviewers. The immersion is an evaluation left by users who are disappointed in the immersion of web novel contents. Characteristics are the words left by users who are disappointed with the characters in the web novel contents. Completeness is composed of data from users who don't feel fun about web novel contents with a plain story. Conclusion. The purpose of this study is to find the factors of quality improvement of web novel contents through sentiment analysis of web novel contents users. This study proposed a system that can be used for planning of high-quality web novel contents based on accumulated user review data using LDA modeling to overcome the limitation of existing human resource-based web novel content analysis. First, the user's sentiment was classified. In addition, according to the result of the classification, topic modeling were performed to derive representative topics that can express positive web novel contents and negative web novel contents. As a result of such classification, high-quality web novel contents that received positive and negative evaluation were able to derive representative keywords. This study has made positive contributions to deriving academic and practical implications related to the web novel users.